Lost your Novo card and feeling that familiar pang of panic? You're not alone. It's a common problem, but the solution is surprisingly simple and it won't set your business back. In fact, replacing your Novo card is something you can do yourself in just a few minutes, right from your phone. Before we dive into the steps, a quick pro tip: once you realize your card is gone, the very first thing you should do is freeze it. This prevents any unauthorized transactions and keeps your business finances safe. You can do this instantly within the Novo app. Just go to the Cards section, select your physical card, and toggle the freeze option. Now that your account is secure, let's get you a new card. Here's the step-by-step guide to ordering a replacement. First, open your Novo app and head to the Cards tab. Next, tap the physical card that you need to replace. You'll see an option to replace card. Tap on that. Novo will then ask you to confirm your shipping address. Make sure this is up to date to ensure your new card arrives at the right place. Once you've confirmed your address, you'll be asked to provide a reason for the replacement. Simply select Lost from the options. Finally, confirm your order. And that's it. Your new card will be on its way. You'll also receive a confirmation email with an estimated delivery date. While you're waiting for your new card to arrive, don't worry, your business can continue to run smoothly. You can still use your virtual Novo card for online purchases and manage your finances right from the app. You can even set up a new virtual card if you need to. So, while losing your card can be a headache, getting a new one doesn't have to be. Novo makes it easy and quick, so you can get back to what matters most, growing your business. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.